Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Today we will analyze two shares Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv shortly. So let's see the chart of Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. See, Bajaj Finance. See, this stock has 4,930 rupees as a strong support. Okay, so what was the closing of Bajaj Finance yesterday? See, it was not so good or not so bad kind of a closing. Okay, so what has Bajaj Finance done? Okay, what are the resistance and what are the support regions for Bajaj Finance? We will draw it in 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour time frame. Okay, so first of all, let's check 1 hour time frame. See, this region. This region will act as a crucial support for Bajaj Finance. Okay, 5,229. Okay, and after that, let's see the resistance. Resistance region is this. Okay, this is the dynamic resistance region for Bajaj Finserv, sorry, Bajaj Finance share. Okay, and what is the share doing in 15-minute time frame and how we can trade this share tomorrow? Okay, in intraday. So let's see. This is our crucial support region which has been forming from the past 2-3 days. Okay, this region. Okay, this. So how we will trade this stock tomorrow? Let us suppose if Bajaj Finance opens flat in this region, okay, if it will open in this region and if it crosses this resistance line from the downside, okay, from the downside, then only we will take a buy entry in Bajaj Finance share. Okay, and if the stock manages to close below, if any 15-minute candle closes below this level, okay, this level which is 5397 5395, if any 15-minute candle closes below 5,390 rupees, then only we will go for short sell in Bajaj Finance for the target of 5,229 or even 5,267. Okay, this will be our psychological trading levels for Bajaj Finance share. Okay, are you getting my point? We will buy Bajaj Finance or we will sell Bajaj Finance. Both depends upon the opening of share. Okay, if the stock opens flat and it goes above, then only we will go for a buy side of a trade, and if the stock opens flat and comes towards the downside, then only we will go for the sell side of a trade. And is there any sort of a pattern which Bajaj Finance share is forming? Yes, it is forming a cup and handle inverted kind of a pattern. See, this is the inverted cup and handle kind of a pattern, and if the stock gives a breakdown, it will surely fall till this price. Okay, till this price. Okay, what is the price? 5292. Okay, almost 2% of fall is necessary in this stock, or the stock will fall till here. Okay, so this is around 5228. So it all depends upon the break of any support or the break of any resistance. This region is the support and this region will act as the resistance. If resistance is broken, then we will go for a buy side trade, and if support is broken, then we will go for the sell side trade. Okay, so these are my analysis for Bajaj Finance stock. Okay, now let's see Bajaj Finserv. See, Bajaj Finserv. This region, this trend line is acting as a crucial support for Bajaj Finserv stock. Okay, and let's see what this stock is doing. See, this is the swing low, this is the swing high, and the stock is trading between 0.618 and 0.78 region. Okay, 0.618 and 0.78 region. Okay, let's us suppose if the stock manages to go below this level, also go below this level which is 9896. Okay, as soon as the stock will go below 9896 and any candle closes below 9896, okay, then we will go for a short side trade for the target of 9763 or even 9714. Why 9714? See, this stock has a swing low of this and swing high of this, okay, and the stock is trading between 0.78 and 0.618 level. So if this level is broken, if this level is broken if this level is broken, then we will go for a sell side and take target of 9705, okay. And when the stock will reach 9705, support line this support line will act as a support. So 9705 is a crucial support for this stock. If 9705 is broken, any 15-minute 30-minute candle closes below 9705 and the stock goes below that low, any candle should close below 9705, okay, firstly. And then if the stock makes another low below that closed candle, then only we will sell. Suppose the stock went up down till 9636, okay, in the 30-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, the stock went down till 9636 and closed there only, okay. We will not sell this stock. Then we will wait. If any 1 minute 2 minute candle, if it is giving another closing below the low of this candle, then only we will sell Bajaj Finserv. Till then we won't sell Bajaj Finserv stock, okay. This is my analysis for Bajaj Finserv tomorrow. So thank you for watching, guys. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe this video. I am making a lot of effort to put you guys in a position where you guys are feeling safe and satisfactory while trading. So thank you for watching.